Now, if your conscious mind is very active with things to do and places to go and people to meet, you'll have a difficult time getting it to settle down. If you know EFT, just spend a few minutes doing some tapping before you begin your practice. If you don't know how to tap, grab a pen and a pad of paper and write it all down. Just write all that mental busyness and put it on a page. Whatever comes into your head, write it down. Just giving all those thoughts a place to go will help you to let them go and set them aside. And you'll be much more ready to allow hypnosis to happen. If you've got a lot of stuff to think about, make a list. And then take your list and put everything in order of priority. Making a list will allow your mind to relax because, again, you're giving it a place to go. So bring up all the tasks and all the things that you need to get done and put them down on paper and then organize them in order of priority. This will help to get them off your mind so that you can relax into hypnosis.